Hello guys, review OPPO A6S, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device in the brown color, cappuccino brown color, and on this adapter with quick charge, super quick charge, we have Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. And this we have protected back cover for device. Double camera on the back side. On this side power button, wall buttons. Slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and that's all. Device without headphones jack. Open device. Open settings. We have Android 15 and ColorOS 15. 7000 mAh battery. Snapdragon 685. We have 6.75 inch display, Full HD resolution. Open Geekbench. Single core score, multi-core score. GPU test results, and look onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Video we can record. Okay, let's show photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.